So another component of balance is called anticipatory postural adjustment. So that means the person is anticipating what's going to happen, so they prepare physically to be able to do the exercise. So one of the example is using the chair. I'm going to put it right up against the wall so it's safe, and I'm going to use my water bottle in this exercise. So my right hand is on the chair, and I'm going to stand on my left. So you ask people, put the bottle on the floor. If I need the chair, I use the chair. Put the bottle on the floor, come back up. Now ask them to pick it up and place it to their right. So, and then I place it there, and I come back up. So the idea is give them time to do it, ask them to place the bottle somewhere, come back up, pick it up and place it somewhere else. But give them time to do this so that they can prepare and try to do the exercise. So they will probably start hanging onto the chair, but eventually what you would like them to do is not hang onto the chair at all. But if it's there, if I need it, it's right there. So I can try without using my chair and see if I can pick up the bottle. I had to hang onto the chair, that's okay. Come back up, maybe now I'm not hanging on, and place it on the left, and come back up. So this is done really nice and slow. If you do the same thing on the other side, so I would stand up on my right, like this time the chair's on my left, and then do the same thing, placing the bottle. So that's one idea. Another exercise that we can do, it's called clockwork. So by doing clockwork, the chair is always going to be on my side, so in case I need it. They stand on one leg and you ask them, so think of them being in the center of a clock, and you ask them to touch forward at 12 o'clock. Come back, go to 3, come back, go to 6, come back, go to 7, come back if you need the chairs there, go to 10, and so on. Change side and do the same thing, and maybe change side with the chair as well. So you can start this one by touching the floor. So my clock is the same, 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock, until eventually they don't touch the floor anymore, and until eventually they can just remove the hand and do this without any balance. So, but this is done really slow, so it gives them time to prepare. Remember, we anticipate what's going to happen, so I prepare so that I can do the exercise. So right now I'm shaking quite a bit, so I would wait until I catch and get my balance, and then only start when I stop this wobbling position. So that's 2 exercises that we can do in this particular component of balance.